Everybody seems to have Snapchat right now, but apart from cool filters and instant messenger features, what else is interesting about this app? Check out the top 10 facts about Snapchat below. Drinks are a popular feature. According to recent statistics, a staggering 93% of Snapchat users have sent a picture to somebody else of their drink. Over 60% sent pictures of people they don't even know. It's been beaten only by Facebook. Snapchat has become so popular now that Facebook is the only rival which can beat it. Snapchat regularly ranks at number 2, just behind our favorite social networking app. Best friends or no best friends? Snapchat users went slightly crazy in 2015 when the Best Friends feature was taken away. Prior to this update, users could see the best friends of other users. 64% of people still want the Best Friends list to come back. If at first you don't succeed, try again. The founders, Evan Spiegel, Reggie Brown Poster and Bobby Murphy, had tried 34 projects before coming up with the idea of Snapchat. Their idea was criticized, but it's a good job they didn't listen. Its original name was Picaboo. When it first started in 2011, it was named Picaboo, but in 2012, it was renamed to Snapchat. There are more than 7 billion pictures and videos per day. As of 2016, there are over 7 billion pictures and videos which are viewed every single day by Snapchat users. This amount increased from 2 billion in May 2015. Filters are one of the most popular features. In 2015, Snapchat introduced a variety of filters which users could add to their pictures and videos. This is thought to have contributed to the increase in popularity for the app. Women like it more than men do. 70% of the people using Snapchat are female, leaving just 30% from the male population. As of 2014, over half of the users are between the ages of 13 and 17. Evan Spiegel and Taylor Swift. Between 2014 and 2015, co-founder Evan Spiegel and pop singer Taylor Swift reportedly had a romance. Has she written a song about him yet though? Facebook really wants Snapchat. Mark Zuckerberg first offered $1 billion for Snapchat, but when he was declined, he came back with a $3 billion offer. Rejected once again, he returned the next day, promising a check for $4 billion. His offer wasn't accepted.